Hey there. So I just wanted to show you this real quick fix that I did. It's really cheap for making yourself a pop filter for a mic. Instead of spending 60 bucks or so on one at a music store, and to say they're great because they're super versatile, they're professionally built. I spent around about 10 bucks at a local hardware store and made my own, and it's great. It's really good. Still waiting for the glue, the Araldite type 2-pack glue to dry. This is what it looks like. So it's literally just a clip, which costs like 6 bucks, a coat hanger, which I found in my closet, and $2 pantyhose. Got myself an okay setup for sound, and it's definitely fine for what I'm doing. Like, it's not a studio suite where you go to an actual studio at the station or recording studio and knock out some professional voiceover stuff, but this is totally fine for doing professional voiceover stuff at home. Nice thick woolen blanket, mattress to bounce so the sound doesn't bounce off, and then another blanket as well to create some to kill the ambient sound. It's absolutely fine, and the pop filter is great. It's working really great. So quick fix, literally 10 bucks, and a drill. I use the drill bit, but if you don't have a drill bit, you could literally heat up the coat hanger, and just push it through the end of the clip there, and that would be just fine. Maybe get some Araldite as well, just to hold it in place, and then bend it in position.